Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about dividend wealth target calculation for $2,000 monthly income. If your goal is to earn $2,000 per month from dividends, then the first thing you need to do is turn that monthly target into an annual income goal. Since dividend yield is usually expressed on a yearly basis, this step is very important. So, $2,000 per month multiplied by 12 gives an annual dividend income goal of $24,000. Next, once you know the annual goal, you can use the core formula to estimate the size of the portfolio you may need. The formula is very simple. Required dividend wealth equals annual income goal divided by dividend yield. In this case, the annual income goal is $24,000, and the dividend yield depends on the type of investments you choose. After that, you can estimate your target by yield. For example, if your average dividend yield is 2%, you may need about $1,200,000. If the yield is 3%, the target becomes about $800,000. At 4%, the estimated wealth needed is about $600,000. At 5%, it drops to around $480,000. And at 6%, it becomes about $400,000. So, a higher yield lowers the wealth target, although it may also come with higher risk. In addition, you may want to make your estimate more realistic by including taxes, fees, or a safety margin. For that, you can adjust the formula using net yield instead of just dividend yield. Net yield can be found by multiplying dividend yield by 1 minus the tax rate. For example, if the dividend yield is 4% and taxes or fees reduce it by 15%, then the net yield becomes 3.4%. In that case, the adjusted wealth target would be $24,000 divided by 0.034, which is about $705,882. This shows how taxes and expenses can increase the amount you need to invest. Then, to make the formula even easier to remember, you can use a quick shortcut. For any monthly dividend goal, required wealth equals monthly income goal multiplied by 12, divided by dividend yield. So, for a $2,000 monthly goal at a 4% yield, the calculation is 2,000 times 12 divided by 0.04, which equals $600,000. Now let's look at the worked example. The monthly income goal is $2,000. First, convert it into an annual goal, which is $24,000. Then apply the formula using a 4% assumed dividend yield. $24,000 divided by 0.04 gives $600,000. That means if your portfolio yields about 4%, you may need roughly $600,000 invested to generate about $2,000 per month in dividends. Finally, keep a few helpful reminders in mind. Dividend yields can change over time, so your estimate may need to be updated. Diversification can help reduce risk, which is important when building a dividend portfolio. Taxes and fees can affect your real income, so always consider them in your planning. Also, reinvesting dividends can help you reach your target faster by growing your portfolio over time. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.